Hello friends, today I am showing a new recipe, bread snacks recipe. This recipe is very tasty and delicious, and this recipe is very tasty and delicious and also crispy, and I will teach you step by step. So now let's start. Those who are new visitor, please give subscribe, like, share and comment. So now let's start. First of all, I have taken 3 breads and now cut the edge. And cut the edge, and then after half this bread properly. This is the proper way. So now let's go next step. This is the first step, and here add the 1 egg. Then after add 1 cup milk. Then after add 1 tablespoon chopped coriander leaves. After add 1 tablespoon mixed herbs. Then after add 1 tablespoon red chili flakes. After add half teaspoon ginger garlic paste. Then after add half teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon coriander powder, then a half teaspoon cumin powder. Then after add salt to taste and beat well properly. All mixed has done properly, and now let's go next step. And this is the next step. Here add breadcrumbs, 1 cup breadcrumbs, and now add the bread into the egg, and now coat with breadcrumbs. See the friends, all bread has complete, and now let's go next step. Here add 1 tablespoon refined oil, and now add the bread one by one. All bread fry has done, and this is the become a brown color, brown red color. And now let's go next step. See the friends, this snacks recipe is done, and now this bread is totally crispy, and I will show you. See the friends, this is the sound, crispy sound, and too much crispy and very tasty recipe. Please try at your home. If you like this my video, then please give subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you so much.